good morning, guys. We're back at it again. Yes, indeed we are. We just finished getting our load and did our pre-trip and all that. Went ahead and fueled up. Well, I wasn't able to fuel up all the way because this load is really super heavy. Yeah. And it's not really done loaded properly.
Continue on
Reason
this
why I'm
road
saying
for
that
21
is
kilometers.
I'm having to have my trailer axle all the way up just in order for me to make it legal with the weight. And then I can't even fuel up all the way. It's too heavy. I'm at 44,700 pounds in the trailer according to the paperwork, although I think that's heavier than what they're saying. But hey, at least I managed to fuel up about half a tank of fuel, roughly. So we should be alright. As long as we can run her about half a tank, I'm okay. That just means I'm gonna have to fuel up more often. That's all. But hey, it's only a short trip too, right? So, and in a few states we have, you know, we're able to have a little bit more weight because I have the APU unit. So I should be okay, pretty sure. But regardless, we're gonna go ahead and continue on cruising along here. Gonna start a new day. Gonna go to the border and find out how busy they are over there today. And it is very windy again today, so we're probably not going to do that great on fuel mileage anyways. So they're probably going to burn quite a bit of fuel going into the US, because it looked like the wind was coming from the southeast or something like that. That's what it was looking like. I haven't looked on the internet to see where it's actually coming from, but that's what it just appeared to be. But anyhow, I appreciate you guys tuning in for another show. And for those of you that didn't quite understand my message there yesterday on my live show, it was a little confusing there because I had some technical difficulties. If you guys want to win that Blue Tiger headset, you have to leave a comment on YouTube on that particular video in order to have a chance to win. And you should also be subscribed to me. But yeah, anyways, just figure I'd give you another heads up on that. It's probably in about another week or so we'll be doing the draw, or you know, we'll find out who wins. So anyways, we'll hammer down and see what happens today. Well guys, we have crossed the border a while back ago already, and now we are almost up to Fargo already, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and pull her in over here and take our half an hour break. Kind of time for me to do that. I need to use the man's room and I mean my half an hour break, probably grab me a bite to eat and continue on. I mean, it is just crazy windy today. At one point I looked on the internet there and it was like 47 miles an hour gusting winds. It's like, wow, good thing I got this kind of heavy load. With a light load, I don't know, that'd be a little scary driving down here, that's for sure. Even right now, I mean, I'm having to, like, can you see my steering wheel is going like this? The wind is coming from over there. Normally it should be straight, like it should be straight this way, but it's like this much on an angle right now. It's like, wow, just trying to stay on the road here, you know? It's like, wow. Anyways, they're gonna go down to our customer here tonight. We'll see if I'll go all the way to the customer or not, but we'll go up to Sioux City anyways. That's my plan, and deliver this thing first thing in the morning, and hope my satellite will work by that time and we can get us a reload. They told us this morning that for some odd reason when we send a message it gets there, but when they send us a message apparently it's not getting through. And that was the case with mine too. I never received my load offer on the satellite, so I have to go off of my bill of lading. But anyways, hopefully they have that fixed by tomorrow, and we can get our load offer, and hopefully that will get fixed. And I also hope that I'll get a load up to Toronto again. That way we get some good miles. It is now time to leave Fargo, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed it is. I went and got me some more pills, so that way I can eat some more pills for my cold or whatever I got. The last few days that seems to have helped me quite a bit, so got me some of these candies too that you can chew on, and so hopefully that'll keep me in good shape. But it is still very, very windy. But hey, regardless, we gotta go. We still have 321 more miles to go to our customer, so we can't afford to sit around over here too much. Mind you, I don't have to be there tomorrow first thing in the morning. I can be there tomorrow anytime between 7 and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's what it said. So I guess we will, you know, my plan is to try and get there as early as I possibly can, right? So that way, I have a better chance of going somewhere and picking me up a reload, you know? Somebody got pulled over. Yeah, oh well. I guess they did something wrong. Anyways, we'll continue on. I hope that the wind will start slowing down here pretty soon, because I'm doing terrible on fuel mileage. I mean terrible. I'm only doing maybe 5 miles to the gallon US. It's terrible, but what do you expect? I mean, 45, 47 mile an hour gusting winds. What do you expect, right? I just got into South Dakota, and I decided to go ahead and make me a little bit of a pit stop here at this rest area. Reason being is my buddy was telling me that what he did on his satellite was he logged out, then he restarted it, like do a forced restart on it, and then he logged back into it, and then he said after that he was starting to receive messages again from dispatch. So I figured I would do the same thing here. I'll pull into the rest area and just reboot it like that, log out, log back in, and all that stuff. So now we got all of that taken care of. I don't know if I'll get any kind of messages, but hey, figure I'd give it a shot. It's worth a try anyways, right? At least that's what I figured. So now we gotta hammer down and try and get to Sioux City, Iowa. I don't think we will actually go into there. I already looked it up. About 26 mile marker up here in South Dakota, there's a truck stop that I kind of like. It's usually got lots of room in there, so I think I'm gonna go make it up to there and just call it a day. But before we get there, we gotta get past the big chicken coop up here, which is only a few miles down the road. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that we will be able to get the bypass on the satellite here, so hopefully that will work. So far it's worked on all the other scales. I mean, I don't know how it's going to do now since I logged out and logged back in and all that stuff, so we'll find out in a little bit, right? Time to go ahead and close the show, guys. Yes, indeed it is. At least for me it is. We did okay today. It wasn't the greatest day, but hey, we did okay. We're only about 33 miles from the customer here, so I guess we'll go ahead and deliver that tomorrow morning, and we're kind of hoping we get us a good reload. Our satellites, I don't know if they're still working or not. I haven't received any messages at all, so I have no idea if it actually works or not. I guess I'll find out tomorrow morning once I get to my customer. I'm gonna send them a message, see if they receive my message or not. Or I mean, they receive my messages, they said, but they can't send me any, so we'll see if they will be able to send me any tomorrow morning. So anyways, we had a good day, all right, and so let's go ahead and get out of here, close off the show. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a thumbs down. Doesn't matter to me. And if you liked anything about the video, or if you like to say anything, then leave a comment on there below. I also have all kinds of links in the description box where you can check out all kinds of information about me, and what kind of camera I use and all that kind of stuff, what kind of truck, what kind of info you can get out of my truck, all that kind of stuff. All kinds of information in there. My website link is in there. My store link is in there. I do have a store where you can buy maybe a t-shirt or a hoodie or coffee mug or something like that, you know. Anyways, let's go ahead and get out of here. Appreciate you guys watching another vlog. We'll see you tomorrow.